Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your Clever Dog camera not connecting to Wi-Fi in 2026. So first of all, you need to start with the correct network. Clever Dog cameras only support the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and not the 5 GHz. So in order to change it, simply go to your router's settings. Inside your router's settings, you just have to make sure that the 2.4 GHz is enabled. If your Wi-Fi has one name, you can temporarily disable the 5 GHz, or you can also split the networks. Then you need to connect your phone to the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi before opening the Clever Dog application. Now after opening the app, you can just simply start the setup. Now before even starting the setup, I highly recommend you to basically reset your camera properly. For that, you just have to do nothing but to just simply press and hold your reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds until the LED starts flashing. After doing this, you need to simply open your Clever Dog application. Then in it, go to the home page and look for the option of add device. In the add device, you just have to simply find your camera. After finding it, enter the Wi-Fi password carefully. When the QR code appears, make sure that you hold your phone about 15 to 20 centimeter in front of the camera lens. Then wait for the confirmation beep or voice prompt before proceeding. Also, stay close to the router during the pairing. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the camera is working again properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.